Hey guys, I am super excited because today I am going to be trying some colored contacts from the brand Haniix. This brand reached out to me and asked if I wanted to try some of their contacts, so I was able to pick a few. I can't remember if it's 3 or 4. We'll find out. And I don't remember which colors I selected, so this is going to be really exciting for me and surprising. So I will open this box up and show you guys what's inside because I have not opened it yet. I wanted to wait to do it with you guys. Also, if you like any of these colors or want to try some of their other many colors, because they have a very large selection of colors to choose from, you can get 20% off with my code Beth20. I will link everything important in the description below, but let's open this box up. I have been dying to try these out. So this is what the box looks like when you first open it up. It's like too nice to open. It's so perfect. I feel bad. So it's 3. They gave me 3 contacts. And what is this? Oh, it's like a little beauty sponge, it looks like. Cute. I think that's for makeup. Oh, these are little pliers, like a little tool to help you put the contacts in and take them out. I have used colored contacts before, and usually I just ended up using my hands, so I'm guessing that's probably what I'll do this time as well. And let's see what colors we got. Sorry, paper. Sorry, paper. These are the contacts. Ooh, okay, so we got the shades. This is Adeline Blue, Rhone Blue. We got another blue shade. I guess I was feeling blue that day. And we've got Iceland Black. I'm mostly excited for this one, oddly, because when I tried colored contacts before, I picked only light shades, only blue shades, green shades, because I have brown eyes, so I didn't go darker. And I wanted to see what would happen if I tried a colored contact that was darker than what I have, because I've only tried lighter, so very curious about that one. Let's just try them in the order that I read them. So we're gonna start with Adeline Blue. That's a beautiful name. Once again, it's too pretty to ruin. It's so perfect and cute. I love the packaging. How to remove contact lenses. Wash and dry your hands. Hold your eyes open. Gently pinch and remove the contact lens. Clean the contact lens with contact lens solution. I do have contact lens solution. Kind of too lazy to go and get it. Oh, cute. So they have the little case. I'm glad I have contact solution that I can make sure to keep filling so that they don't dry out. Filling this so that they don't dry out. And then here are the contacts. We've got the contacts. Ooh, those look lovely. They look like kind of an ocean blue. I can have ocean eyes. So, I'm gonna give you a good look of my eyes first. These are my normal eyes. These were the eyes I was born with, I was given. I'm trying to open up this without losing an eye. What I did last time I used colored contacts, I poured the solution that it comes with into the container, and I start kind of with that, you know, trying to be, what's the word? Resourceful. We have got an eye, everybody. We've got an eye. Also, I don't have like a prescription. I don't wear regular contacts or glasses, but you can use a prescription with these, which is awesome. If I had to wear contacts, like because I couldn't see, I would definitely just go with colored contacts. Because if you're gonna go through, not hassle, but I mean, I feel like it would be a hassle if you don't have a fun color to make it exciting. I think I'm gonna try to do it here, but I may have to go to my mirror, my bigger mirror, because it can be tricky for me as someone who doesn't wear contacts usually. Okay, so I got the contact, so I'm gonna pull my eye down all creepily like. And then I'm gonna look up. And then I'm just gonna... Wow, that was easy. Whoa. Ooh, that is comfortable. I genuinely don't feel anything. Wow. That is cool. Oh, I like it. Hopefully this is just as easy as the first time. I fear it won't be. It's not gonna be as easy. Oh, okay, that's okay, that's okay. You know what? It's okay. If at first you don't succeed, gosh darn it, the worst thing you can do is panic. I've learned that the hard way. Okay, to the mirror. To the mirror, go. She is in, and she is lovely. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I feel like I look almost like doll-like. Not to compliment myself, just the bangs and the hair color and the eye color. Like Adeline, that sounds like a doll, right? I think they're so freaking gorgeous. And they're so comfortable. Even this one after messing with it a bunch. Like, I feel a little bit, but it's not bad. And I was messing with it a lot. This one, I don't feel at all. So try to get it on your first time. But even if you don't, it's okay. Try again. I love them. I wish my eyes were really like this. These are so fun and so pretty. Here's a closer look quick before I take them out. I feel like these really match like my makeup right now and my hair. I feel like it complements this look I have going really well, but I feel like it would complement any look. They're just so stunning. So I will show you how I remove them. I just pretty much, well, I pinch them, but just now I just pinched air. I pinch, I pinch and remove. And then I just put it back in its case. I like to put it where it's not inside out for the next time I use it. And that's my regular boring eye. My eyes look way more boring in comparison. So we pinch, and then we try again. And then we pinch, and then third time is charm. Oh no. Yeah, that was the third time, not the fourth. That was the third time. And now they're safe in their little case, ready for whenever I want to use them again. Now on to Rome Blue. Ooh, okay, so these are really light, which is what I figured, because I know whenever I pick things I like to have a good variety, you almost can't even see them, they're so light. I think these might have like a little bit of a gray to them. Why is that eye always so easy? Ooh. I like it. Okay. For a second I couldn't remember if I started recording. That would have been bad. Okay, so this is Rome Blue. I feel like these look super natural. You wouldn't really know, I don't think, if you didn't know me. I feel like for me, they look a little crazy just because I'm not used to such light eyes. But if you didn't know me, you might think I just have these really pretty light blue eyes. I do think the previous ones are my favorite so far, but these are so fun and so pretty. I feel like especially with dark hair, these would really pop. But even with this hair color, I feel like they look good with it too. They're growing on me even more, actually. They look so natural. It's actually kind of insane. Say goodbye to Rome Blue, because we gotta try on our final pair. I don't want to stop. I want more. I need more. So let's take these bad boys. I mean, these can stay in my eye forever. I wouldn't be mad at it. Okay. We got her. Back to boring brown. Oh, that came out on the first try. Getting the hang of it. Getting the hang of it. And then we close up the case. Well, it is time for Iceland Black. While I'm the most excited for this pair, I'm also the most nervous because I have fairly dark eyes already. I don't have dark brown eyes. I guess they're more like, are they considered hazel? I don't know. You guys might have to tell me. There's a little green in them. Guess medium brown. But because I already have darker eyes, I'm worried that these won't, whoa. I was gonna say be as different, but that's pretty black. There's a difference. There is a difference. I look a little evil, but I kind of love it. Okay, they're both in. I love them. Is it weird if these are my favorite? They're not that different, but it just darkened my eyes like a little bit. I feel like for me and on me, these look the most natural and real, oddly, because they're black. Because my eyes are naturally darker than blue, for example. But, or am I being crazy? Do they look crazy? Do they look scary? I'm a horror fan. I love scary things, so maybe that's why I'm drawn to these. Time for my close-up. So that concludes my try-on haul and unboxing of Haniix colored contact lenses. I will give this brand 2 thumbs up. I love all of these contacts. I love how they look. I love how they feel. I loved this whole experience and I can't wait to keep wearing them. I'm very happy with the colors I chose and honestly I want to get so many more now, but highly recommend going with this brand. Also, they shipped to me so quickly, so quickly. I was shocked when I got this in the mail, so that is a big bonus. And if you do decide to get yourself some Haniix colored contact lenses, make sure to use my code Beth20 to get 20% off. You're welcome. But yeah, thank you guys so much for joining me. This was so much fun, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Back to the basics.